What up? Bouty's Relly, Mannchyld, America the Ratchet, America the Ratchet, America the Ratchet, America the Ratchet. Close your eyes. The truth is, nowadays I don't know what to say. What's coming around is up and down like snuffleupagus, puffing the haze. Oh, how they cuffing us, cussing our face. They the ones that punish in pain. Oh yeah, the government's coming to save, but I forgot they fucking our face. They on the same stuff, frontin' for change. Time to pay up enough for the games. Look at the data, they fucking insane. Cooking the fat up, stuffing the brains, putting the ads up, loving the fame. This is what matters, what a damn shame. Water Dutch master, pass me the flame. I gotta love my master, get up in the ranks. Fuck all that fag shit, stuck in my wank, stuck in the shadow, puddles of rain. Loving the capsule, run through my veins, running right past you, up in the lanes, looking to capture all of the gangs. Look at the rappers that running insane, running, hustle, struggle my double, trouble ain't subtle, up in your face. Plays like puppets, a fucking disgrace, bumping the cane, numbing the hate. A wonderful bubble that's hard to maintain, 100 substances pumping my veins. I love the juggle, the love of the pain. My mom has said to be a bunch of these days. I guess I gotta put up with the play. Fuck it, man. US of A. US of A. US of A. How we living? US of A. Get what you giving? US of A. We driven. US of A. We give it. US of A. Circumcision. We take what you get. US of A. US of A. Is you paid? US of A. Is true pay? US of A. Put in air. US of A. I really don't care. US of A. Flag in the air. Wave it, wave it. US of A.